Next up, we have Papa Dienou Faye. Papa has a background in business development and digital marketing, bringing over a decade of hands-on experience to his projects. Papa holds an MBA and bachelor's degree in web development, and he is deeply passionate about sports and continual learning. And today we're going to see Papa's project, which is called My Fresh. Papa, the floor is all yours.
Sure. Hello, everyone. Yes. Hello, everyone. My name is Papa Faye. I'm a full stack engineering student at Emerging Digital Academy, and I have a background in business development and digital marketing. Today, I'm going to be presenting to you my solo project, My Fresh, which, as the name sounds, is about a marketplace that sells fresh organic products to customers. So I chose to do that app because when I was in my home country, I created a startup that was helping the farmers sell their products to the potential customers like hotels and restaurants. But that one was very challenging. And the most difficult part wasn't only about creating a fully functional app, but sensitizing the farmers and show them the need they have to use that app. We were supposed to show them that we are not trying to replace the middleman. We're not trying to be the imposters they used to see, but we are here to help them. So when I came to Fargo, I noticed that Fargo is one of the, or North Dakota is one of the biggest hub of agriculture in the US. And I was like, maybe I just should do the same thing. I noticed that farmers in North Dakota uh, have websites, but they don't have a common website to use their apps. They also struggle to sell their products. They always use the middleman to sell their products. So they don't have a platform that will help them remove the traditional intermediaries that often inflate costs. And they don't have a web platform that will replace the individual websites. So what we are trying to do is to give them a platform that will give access to all the customers with affordable fruits and vegetables. And that platform will have a user interface for the farmers to be able to manage their inventory, register, sorry, and process orders. The customers also will be able to order the fresh products. So here is the platform. And the first thing you see is this picture that is showing exactly what we are selling, which is vegetables. And on the left, you can see a form where the customer and the farmers can register. Or if they already have an account, they can directly log in. So we're going to start to log in as a farmer first. So the first thing that the farmer will be seeing is this page about all the products, no, their own products, and they will be able to delete, to remove a product, edit the product, and also to add the product. So if they want to make changes, they just can click this button, the edit button, and make any changes that they want, for example. And they can click in the update button, and you will see that the product has changed. They can also go to the orders page and see all the orders that was made. And the farmers also can be customers. They can view the products if they want to, and they can purchase products. And when the product is purchased, they can click to the receipt button and see their order with all the products chosen. And they can click to the back button to go back. Same with the customer. Uh, let's connect with the customer. So once the customer is connected, they'll be seeing this page also with all the products. They will be able to select a product. If they want one or two of that product, they can increase the +1%, add it to the cart, and they can see on the left here that they added one product. And if they add two and three to the cart, they have three products in the cart, and they can directly go to the cart and see the product they chose. And if they want to remove one, they can click the remove button. If they're okay with what they already have, they can choose an option of delivery or pickup and place the order. Once the order is placed, they'll be, as the farmer was able to do, they can view their product and hide it if they want to, and process with the payment and be able to see their receipt. And the last page is the about page, where farmers and customers will be able to see all the information and the presentation about what the app is doing, and the owner, who's myself. So after the project, what we are planning to do is to implement a customer satisfaction option, which will be feedbacks like messages for consumers to speak about the product quality and the delivery service. We will also allow the farmer to track the deliveries and see where their products are. And we're also planning to uh, uh, implement some financing management option like Stripe, and they will be able to pay directly by Stripe and also control all their finances. Thank you for your attention.
Nice job. Thank you, Papa. All right. So Papa, tell us a little bit about challenges you overcame. So you've got a, project based on some of your experience and, prior, um, just prior activities. What was it like to design these requirements, build something around that, and did anything change along the way?
It was challenging at the beginning, but when I started, it was kind of like not easy, but I felt good with the help of the instructors. It was easy to go through everything. I discovered some type of authorization and stuff like that to allow the user to authenticate and to have the access on certain things of the page or the platform you want. It was something new to me. I thought it was going to be difficult, but once I started learning more about it and practicing more, it became easier. So that was the biggest challenge, and I was able to overcome it.
Oh, great. I've got a question. Cody says he enjoys the fresh design, pun intended. And Jade says, nice job, Papa. If you had a delivery stretch goals, would you connect that to some of the existing delivery APIs, or would you build something a bit more custom?
Yes, I'm thinking about it. I'm planning to add a delivery system, but I didn't really go through what type of way I'm going to go through it. But I'm thinking about maybe using an API to allow the delivery to happen.
Great. And I'll say finally, what was something you would have liked to have known 2 weeks ago? Oh, actually,
Something I would have,
yep, go ahead. Sorry, go ahead, Papa. Yep, we got one more after this one.
something something I would have liked to have known 2 weeks before is to know more about stripes. It was a new thing, and it's part of my stretch goal. I wanted to implement it, but I didn't have enough time to do it. So if I was able to learn it before, I would have implemented, and the payment plan would have been ready by now.
Great. And last question here from Adam. What new technologies did you need for this project? Were there anything you had to learn or double down on, or even just something for that you hadn't worked with before?
Mm, as I mentioned, Stripe is part of them. I'm thinking about using also Cloudinary to allow the customers and users to have their own profile, upload their products, their pictures. But also, I will try to learn more technologies that will allow me to do the tracking, so it will be easier for farmers to control their products.
Great. Thank you, Papa. Nice work.